Refraction. When you look through a glass of water or through a wet window, you cannot see clearly. Look carefully at the picture, which shows a glass of water on a table. The background, through the glass of water, appears distorted. Distorted means changed to be less clear. The background appears distorted because of refraction. The material that light passes through is called a medium. Air, glass and water are each examples of a medium for light to pass through. This glass of water is refracting the light passing through it. You will remember that light travels very fast. The speed of light in air is 300,000 kilometers per second. When light passes from air into water or glass, the light travels more slowly. The table shows how the speed of light changes according to the medium. The change of speed can cause the light to change direction. Imagine you are on roller skates. You are moving at a constant speed on a hard surface. The roller skate on one foot goes onto grass. What happens? You will change direction because one roller skate is moving slower than the other. This is what happens when a ray of light passes from air into glass or water. One side of the ray of light slows down first, causing it to change direction. Refraction of light is defined as the change in direction of light on passing from one medium to another because of change in speed, light passing from air into water or glass. This ray diagram shows what happens when light passes from air into glass or water. The light slows down when it passes from air into glass or water. This causes it to change direction. The light passing from air into glass or water is bent towards the normal. That means the refracted ray is closer to the normal than it would be if the incident ray just carried on in a straight line. Incident ray air glass or water. Notice also from the ray diagram that when light passes from air into glass or water, the angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction. Both of these angles are measured from the normal, light passing from water or glass into air. The ray diagram, in figure 6.2.4, shows what happens when a ray of light passes from water or glass into air. The light speeds up when it passes from glass or water into air. This causes it to change direction. We say that the light passing from glass or water into air is bent away from the normal. That means the refracted ray is further away from the normal than it would be if the incident ray just carried on in a straight line. You will also notice from the ray diagram that when light passes from glass or water into air, the angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. Both of these angles are measured from the normal. Refraction in everyday life. Refraction can be a nuisance. It can stop you from seeing clearly through wet windows. Each individual drop of water on the window refracts light in a different direction, making it very difficult to see. This is why many vehicles have windscreen wipers. The windscreen wipers remove the water drops. It is then easier to see clearly, as all the refraction from the glass is in the same direction.